Core competency number 1, reflection and self-awareness. A fully engaged leader knows strengths and opportunities for growth, works to sharpen one's skill set, develops intuition and decision-making skills through professional learning, manages stress, knows what motivates self and others, and understands what makes self and others tick. As a leader, in order to continually grow, it is important for us to become more self-aware and continually reflect on and refine our practices. Self-awareness is the first step to professional growth because it helps you understand yourself and how you are perceived by others. First, you must know your strengths and opportunities for growth to be able to identify the changes you wish to make. It's also important to instill this value of failing forward in your organization.